Welcome to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the exterior of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom, a true symbol of luxury and elegance. The 2025 Phantom continues the storied legacy of Rolls-Royce with its unmistakable presence and refined design. Starting with the front end, the Phantom boasts the iconic spirit of ecstasy, a symbol of grace and sophistication. This elegant mascot, sculpted from polished stainless steel, stands proudly atop the imposing, rectangular grille that defines the Phantom's face. The grille itself is framed by a set of strikingly modern LED headlights that offer both advanced lighting technology and a dramatic visual impact. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Phantom is adorned with clean, flowing lines that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The long, sweeping curves create a sense of effortless motion, even when the car is stationary. A notable feature is the car's coach doors, which open in a rearward fashion, allowing for an unparalleled ease of entry and exit. This design element not only adds to the car's elegance but also underscores its commitment to providing a luxurious experience. The 2025 Phantom's wheels are another highlight, featuring bespoke 21-inch alloys with a distinctive multi-spoke design. These wheels are not just for show, they are engineered to complement the vehicle's sophisticated air suspension system, ensuring a smooth and composed ride. At the rear, the Phantom continues to impress with its refined tail lamps and a subtly integrated rear spoiler. The tail lamps, with their signature light pattern, provide a distinctive look that is instantly recognizable as Rolls-Royce. The rear design is completed with a sleek, integrated exhaust system that enhances the car's overall aerodynamic efficiency. Throughout its exterior design, the 2025 Phantom epitomizes Rolls-Royce's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. Every curve and surface has been meticulously crafted to ensure that the Phantom not only meets but exceeds the highest standards of automotive excellence. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just a car, it is a masterpiece of engineering and design, embodying the pinnacle of luxury and performance. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom's exterior. Be sure to like and subscribe to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and automotive